Little.
Little candy.
Pauline.
4. Chocolate cheese. Step 1. Put the butter and sugar
Inner.
in a bowl. Mix them well. Step 2.
Add.
Add the
Add.
eggs and
Vanilla.
mix all.
Again.
Step 3. Mix
Now.
and flour and starch. Mix everything together. Step 4. Add chocolate
Chip.
and cheese
And
and mix. Yum. Step 5. Make small
bowl.
From the dough
Dot.
and put them on the tray. Step 6.
Add
Add on
a doubt.
a dough to have you make the cookie up
100.
180
180 degree. Degree. For 10 to minutes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for listening. Goodbye.